YouTube? Welcome back to another video, y'all. We back again. I ain't uploaded for 3 days, something like that. I don't know, 3-4 days, maybe a week. Kind of pushing it, so I gotta record today. Gotta record. But I ended up getting my dash done. I'm finna go show y'all that. Did my dash. Nanny in the garden. Finna show y'all my dash. 5%. And this the dash. Oh shit, it's hot in here. Hold up. My bad, y'all. The camera got foggy. Yeah, that's the dash. If y'all been keeping up on my Snapchat, y'all probably seen it. My bad, the camera keep getting foggy. But yeah, it's cool. It came out good. I just put a clear epoxy. Alright, so I'm gonna tell y'all from scratch. So I ordered the pieces. Boom. Why is that not sticking? Alright, so boom, I ordered the pieces. I bought sandpaper and all that, the shit that I needed. Then I sanded it to enough where it was smooth and didn't have no I don't know. I can't really explain it, but so I sanded it till it's smooth. Wiped it down. Got the spray paint. Put it in the tub or whatever. I did it in the bathroom. I was about to record it, but I couldn't because it was hard. I kept messing it up a little bit. Because the paint wasn't sticking right. So I had to change the water temperature to 70 because I had it too hot. So it was probably 90 degrees. I let the water sit for a minute, cool down just a little. And then I ended up doing it again. I hydro dipped it, whatever. And then I let the paint dry, boom. You know, I'm slow right now, my bad, y'all. I smoked earlier. Just slow. But yeah, I hydro dipped it, boom, let it sit, dry. And then after that, the next day, I put clear epoxy over it, and I just let that dry, and then it came out like this. Y'all see this side? Yeah, it was just regular gray before that though. But I mean, I messed with it. I could do a better job, but I was kind of trying to rush at the end. But I was taking my time at first. But it do look good though. I messed with it. I fuck with it. But yeah. That's all there really is to show y'all new that I did. And that's also why I ain't been recording either though, because I've been hella busy. But, yeah. I'm recording, Nanny.
Hi, Bob.
Does your foot hurt that bad?
My foot hurts real bad.
What'd you do, bruise it? Or you twisted it?
Twisted it. I don't think I broke it, but...
Yeah, if you broke it, you wouldn't be walking. Or if you did break it, you would feel something moving inside your foot. Yeah, we don't got nothing going on right now, though. My cousin's birthday party or whatever, but nobody's here yet. We had a cookout yesterday, but we about to do something today. I don't know. But yeah, So I'll just update y'all in a little bit there. All right, y'all, I just made it back. I had to go take my cousin to his friend's house real quick. Or not my cousin, but his friend's, cause he had a moped. He ain't have no room on the moped. So yeah. But I'm about to go over here, see what my family doing. We're just chilling right now. I'm hella fried. I don't want nobody to take none of my shit. Let me see what's all in my car. I gotta see what's in my car because I don't want nobody to steal nothing. We straight. Bet. We straight. Say what's up to the vlog. I'm about to tell everybody finna be like, why are you recording? Oh, this man. They just finna be like, oh, he recording. What up?
You came out here to nobody
Yeah.
from LA here today. There wasn't nobody in that set.
How's that going? Your son look,
No team.
you look just like you.
What's
What?
Everybody
said you look just like her.
Huh?
Everybody will say he looks just like her.
Nah, like look at his cheeks, bro.
not the hip.
He's like, why are you guys so far away?
He was like one of the
He's chill too.
popular, like TV.
He just looking around.
DJs that I know.
Look at the cut.
Can he walk? Oh, I can't hear that.
He was the DJ Def Comedy Fest.
Yeah.
Daryl last night again.
You did where?
Can you walk?
Is he exposed to the public already?
Picking up
Like,
cigarette
have you guys posted pictures and stuff?
Whacked it. I mean, just whacked it.
Lit up.
Oh.
I ain't want to posting one here or nothing.
Hey, can you help me do a backflip now? Come here.
You want to do a backflip?
I don't know if
Your
you can
kneecap
help
still
him.
hurt.
Help me.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
man.
He's too little. Help me do one.
It really is, bro.
You gotta give him your signature makeup tutorial.
But he is just nothing but pure
Skin
solid
glowing.
ass muscle.
Solid as shit.
Y'all
I mean,
see it?
just literally
Pure quality.
completely
You
solid.
not slaying.
Book me.
How much your makeup?
If you ain't booking me, who the fuck are you booking? I charge $115 a face, including lashes and skincare.
Damn, I wish I could charge
He
that
had
for a
his
cut.
mind right a little bit.
This is Dior and MAC.
Some of the guys used to hire.
Your Mac.
Dior and MAC. I'm a MAC makeup artist. They call me Big Juicy. This is not my baby. His name's Capri. He's so cute. Not you got a white hair.
Soft hair too.
You got a white.
Cause man, you know he was on them experimental site
You were
beds.
telling me that.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
What is
Man,
it?
bro, I
Never
mean,
caused no
it's
harm.
like a none at all. At one point, he was
What y'all eating?
he was literally there.
Be like,
Over here, and when you guys were on
one's in there, one's in my
He had a
Oh, that's what we eating.
That's Tessa's.
bro, as the years kind of progressed.
Inside their sockets. This is your money, Mom.
3 o'clock.
Dog.
Yeah, man, I'm just trying to get those things to get out of here. and get on.
Yo.
That boy been working.
He had lost all
That boy been working.
They never finished. Master got me working.
I think he got arrested.
How much money you saved up so
Something
far?
like that, man,
I
happened
just put like
to him.
200 in right
He
now.
lost
And then
everything.
next week I'm
Oh,
probably put like 600.
Yeah, man.
I should make it 1,000 because I worked a full 40 hours.
Yeah.
You made it?
You make. Oh yeah, they take out a lot of taxes. I forgot. But watch your tax.
330.
When you get your tax return, watch. You're gonna be banking.
That's hot.
Boy, your tax return. You gotta save your tax returns though.
But he told Daryl, Daryl, I'm telling
Okay.
you, one day I'm gonna shoot your ass if I don't know it's you. And people were back there breaking him like shit.
Shannon, where the tacos? I'm about to make me a taco on camera. Oh, that's them? Dang, y'all be cooking up some crazy shit that I've never seen. The camera a little crooked, y'all. Just gonna make this taco. Look, we got the orange chicken. I see a Nah, I think I'll be alright.
I have some corn and I got some chili lime and butter you can put on.
Okay.
You want one?
Wait, chili?
Chili lime.
Yeah, I'll take one. Oh, and we got the jalapeno cheese, Phil.
Nah, man. Them boys over there squeezing on your Gucci.
Tori. She trying to play with me.
Yeah, them boys out there feeling on your Gucci.
Nah, and those do the draws. He's all feeling it. I'm like, bro, you are a fat. I kept saying fat. I was like, stop. I'm like, I can't look at this and not. I'm like, this world done went to hell.
He said it's
Hey, man.
I'm like, what? Like you definitely like butt stuff. Like, you sit there and get turned on by another dude.
Bruh, I don't know.
How?
No damn way.
How?
Ain't no way. It ain't no way. I don't even want to even wonder, like, why?
No.
Hell no.
I don't even wonder.
Hell no.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Hell
None
no.
of that. Nothing.
Shit no. Nasty smelling sucker. Musty ass dude.
Your booty smell good.
Man. Big faggots.
Get Caleb in there, plate.
That's all that's left right there?
But there's still like quite a few tacos. There's corn left and pico and
Hey, I actually didn't get scared, but King be doing that to me. He
there's
said he
still
don't want to
3
eat it,
apiece.
King.
Well, he needs to because he needs to put it up, put her up.
Where's your charger at?
What is
Me?
Hers.
Who?
His girl.
Is that Caleb's?
I thought that was Caleb.
Oh, it's mine.
I think it's by the couch. It is.
Oh yeah, that shit fire.
Reagan, what? Why did you get your plate? I'm hungry.
The guy was going yesterday. Overhead. Yeah, a piece of fucking plasma that came down. Burned the hell out of my dick. And then one got my arm right here.
Kim, there's the pico and chips and...
Alright.
And it'd be hot as hell in there, bro.
I mean, yeah, because you were around all that welding.
Imagine the outside heat
Times 2 or
and
3.
then inside of a closed off tank welding on the inside.
Yeah,
It's like 180 degrees.
Yeah.
I'm not about to sweat all of my
That's like
ass.
times 2 the heat.
I've been going through it. I got them. I'm like, oh. And I have to wear a damn ventilator, so I already can't breathe. Now I got a damn ski mask on around my head, plus a helmet. It's like suffocation.
Oh, you gotta cover that hair up.
No, I want to.
The bald spot.
This is exactly what I had on. Hot as a bitch.
Damn. That boy do be welding. That boy do be welding. Five finger lick. One more jalapeno pepper.
What? That's it! I know! Had enough of you! That's it! I got to shoot you!
What the hell? got food stuck all in my braces. Alright, y'all. I'm about to go back outside. I don't know whose water this is, but I'm finna take it. Oh. It's hard to do shit with this camera.
Drywall tape on it. And what else did he put on that damn thing? He put something else on that sucker, right? So I'm like, I say, this is it. He's like, yeah. So I go up on the roof.
What's up?
I came up there, man. Them suckers.
Chilling, actually doing good.
I'm still
I've been doing, huh? Oh yeah, for sure. I already been hanging out with nobody that I used to or none. You been doing all right? You been doing good though? Just working? 24/7, right? That's what it feels like. Just go home and really just sleep. That's what it feels like.
Are you loading your own? Are you loading your own and all that?
Yeah.
Like loading your own feed?
Planet Fitness.
You work out there too?
Yeah. Now I'll be editing my videos and shit at work. It's going smooth, like real smooth. Oh no.
What's the purpose of it?
I mean, it's people watch my videos, but they don't. Not that many people. I'll probably get like
I'm vlogging,
50
dude.
to 70 views each video.
Let's do a backflip.
Like
Let's do a backflip.
Yeah, I get like 2K on those
Dad.
every time.
You see me?
I thought he was trying to record.
You can get Brinley on your lap and Kylan over there. And then Kaylin, you come stand beside.
Kylan, Brinley is soaking wet.
High five.
My butt's wet.
I just got soap fired.
I seen her trying to
What I would
rub
do
her
is
neck.
go get a pencil,
You know how to do a backflip already.
like something.
No.
Alright, I'll vlog it. I'll vlog it.
Like
What? Him doing? Me teaching him how?
Yeah.
You should make a video.
You really want to learn?
Jay, say what's up, dude.
I'll make this title.
Me teaching my little cousin how to do a backflip.
Yeah.
And that's why you got to do these exercises like this.
Kylan, where did he go?
Hey, Kylan. Record something.
Okay, hold on.
Little legs.
So you did.
Brandy, come
Go
here.
get your daughter.
She look great. Come here, Brandy Boo. You want candy?
Look like it's summertime.
Come here.
Some metals they
Hurry.
won't let you.
It is summertime.
Here, she's not kicking. You better
Brinley, you want candy?
Come here. Hurry before she runs away.
Say cheese to Gigi.
Sit
down.
And they won't let you eat
Say
that.
cheese to Gigi.
Say cheese.
But that
Cover
chick,
bitch.
when she down, it's a lot cleaner.
Say cheese. Brinley. Brinley, do this. Do this. You're not supposed to. Cheese. Do this.
The paps.
Say cheese.
Alright, come on, let's go.
Everything she's telling me.
Let's go.
I gotta wait for my cool down. I just ate some hot.
Come on, let's go jump into the pool.
It's good though.
I just fall off. Does it always fall off?
You're not doing it right.
I was holding it like this.
Shannon reckon's gonna cause you to have a bunch of nuts in there over that corner.
Why is it like that?
I don't know. It just did that. I was holding it and then it came off.
Gotta do this. We're just walking around.
Yes, sir. Big man. It was a fast year, I'll say
You
that.
just turned 1?
On Friday.
Oh, happy late birthday.
Well, no, that's coming up Friday.
Oh.
Yeah. This party is this next weekend.
That boy getting older.
Man.
Already.
That was fast.
You know what's gonna be crazy? When you get older and he's like 15, you're gonna be like
Ivan right now?
yeah, or something like that, yeah. Really, every year gonna be crazy because it's like an experience you never experienced. Kimball, what is that? A slushie?
No.
Oh, what is it?
Sprite, watermelon, vanilla, and
What?
Sprite.
Make me one. Where'd you make it? You should definitely make me one. For real?
Yes.
Cause I want one. That kind of does sound good. Make
You
me
made
one.
that?
I need one. Come on. I'm about to get one.
What is that? Wait, you make me one? Campbell, what is that? Shit.
She has to make me one. I'm not going. Going. I need one.
Yes.
Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. I definitely need one.
So I don't know if I can make it in big cups, but if you have like a baby.
This one?
Yeah, probably. Be very limited on Sprite.
Bet.
Wait, so how you make it?
That was good though, like for real.
Concoction.
What's the pink stuff?
Let's see.
Are you recording?
If you guys want one, then grab a plastic small cup. Cause
Hey, I'm way better than Cameron in basketball. Yeah, I'm on one.
Jay's might be better than me, but
Here. Cameron.
not like the small plastic cup.
bet.
I'm making my concoction.
Why is it so sticky?
Cause it's for ants. That's like has like poisonous stuff on it.
I'm gonna wash your hands. I'm good.
Here, yeah. Wash your hands.
You're making it in just that, Jay? You're gonna want more, cause that's
She
good.
just said give me get a small cup.
I'm very limited on my drinks.
Oh, we have Sprite in here.
Did we do that the last time at the what's it called a juice party?
Oh yeah, I remember what you made a drink. Them was good.
Exactly, that was good.
You can that was all the bars.
I know.
Do you have one?
What?
A bar.
A bar?
Yeah, like a drink bar.
That is absolutely perfect. Absolutely
Shut your
perfect. Okay.
Okay, little man.
Time for my
Hey, Jay.
concoction.
Jenny's trying to nap.
I forgot she stayed here.
Jenny.
Yummy.
Didi.
Oh, it's vanilla.
She is not trying to sweet.
It's sugar-free vanilla. It's not done yet.
Sugar free too?
Yeah.
Bet.
Sugar-free vanilla and then just like...
You're making a healthy good drink.
No, Sprite's not good for you.
Sprite is not terrible.
And with the zero sugar clean.
Oh yeah!
This is where did you learn how to do this at?
I don't know.
Starbucks or something?
No.
TikTok?
No.
She was bored.
I kind of just... My friend has like a huge bar. And so like, with like a bunch of like syrups and stuff. And she'll have like Sprite and stuff. And whenever I'm there, I just make drinks. I made a bartender. I made I don't know.
That's crazy.
Bartender. I'm a bartender.
And I am a boy.
A what?
Oh,
What is that sticky stuff?
It was from Dad.
That's hair.
That's here.
Bad drink served, ready to go.
Is it ready? Is it good? Is it good? Is it good?
It tastes exactly the same as yours.
Rate it. What does that taste like? Rate it. Rate it. A 0 out of 10.
A 10.
You guys want ice?
Yes, I do.
10.
Oh yeah, make
It's a 10 out of 10.
No,
I think it's really the vanilla.
It's
But
the vanilla that gives it the kick.
It tastes like strawberry milk a little bit. A little bit.
Can you make me one?
Just a little bit.
Okay, here's the one. No, don't open it. Go put it back over there. You're using it, right?
I thought I was teaching you how to do it backwards.
Oh,
You're using it. There's no room for over here.
after you teach me backwards.
No,
I don't know. It might just be a little too hot today. That sun is out today.
Well, give me the remote later in the day.
Bro, it was storming bad earlier.
In the morning.
You said what, Jay?
And when the sun go down a little bit,
Jay, it was storming bad.
Is that a number?
You gotta kick the door open when I got the camera. The things I do while on just to record. Y'all better be grateful. Bro, I need a cameraman so bad, like for real. I'm tired of holding the camera. If I could just pay somebody, I swear.
No. This would be like if you're leaving Papal's grave and you go straight down and you come to the stop sign. There's a Gas America on your left. Yep.
It's right here.
You would go across 31 and Air Gas on your right.
TJ's house.
So you would go there, but that
I dropped Trey and Ronell off.
Everything in there is nothing. You can go get new kits, guns, anything. Right, but I'm just saying, you go in there, you can find caps, you can find gloves, you can find shirts. What you just had an issue with, the burns on your pant leg, you can get you some clothes that you don't have to worry about. Just imagine if that burn would have literally went through and went through.
Because they will go through your knuckle, buddy.
Oh no, it went through a fence. He dropped it doing 100 But they sell jeans that are flame retardant where it won't go through. Well, then you didn't buy like a full weld-proof shirt. You need to go to a welding shop again.
Son, protect yourself, bro. You dealing with dangerous
I thought she went inside.
You dealing with stuff that'll have your ass
She's not in there?
permanently out of work.
I swear I saw her.
You gotta protect yourself.
And then all
Gambo!
That shit is serious, man.
Alright, YouTube, we back. Not like with another video, but you know, we back with the vlog. Looking nice, sitting nice. Yeah, I just cut like 3 people's hair. I was just chilling. But I'm about to take Ronell home real quick. Y'all know Ronell that be in the videos. But yeah. Man. We just chilling, y'all. We just chilling. Let's start the whip. Y'all hear that rumbling, bro? It's not supposed to do that. This is not a V8. Shit weak as hell. Can somebody in the comments tell me what that noise is? Like, why is it doing that when it warms up? I think it's missing out. I'm not gonna lie. I think the cylinders or some of my cylinders are burnt out or whatever. I don't know. We're about to take Ronell home. Gotta let the car warm up. It's almost there. It's bogging down. We almost there. You about to just go home and chill, huh? Where's Devin?
At the crib.
He went to the crib?
Yeah. Who left me?
Damn. Damn, Ronell. That's some shit, ain't it? Damn, honey bun. Nah, I'm just playing. Called your ass honey bun.
Oh.
Alright, bet. My tire pressure's still high. Or not high, but where it's supposed to be. We gotta get a pole, huh? Gotta get a good pole. Why didn't my shit want to shift? My car's acting weird. That was me. My foot slipped. Let's put it in sport. Can you hear that? My car doesn't sound the same, does it? I definitely noticed a difference. I can hear it. Did it sound different that time, or does it sound like how it usually does?
Yeah, right there. So
It sounded normal? See, that's weird though. Like, the more I step on it, the more normal it sounds. Isn't it supposed to, like, you're supposed to hear, if it's missing out, I'm supposed to hear it more when I step on it. But I don't fucking know, bruh. I'm about to take this bitch back to the shop. See, bro? That's what I'm saying. It's weird. Even when I downshift too, it sounds good. You know who lives here?
Who?
Kylan.
Kylan?
Yeah, Keegan's son.
Kylan lives here?
Yeah, I didn't know that.
I didn't know that. I didn't know that. Just flexing all out.
I ain't even mean to. I was trying to get my gear to shift up. Maybe if I just put it back in drive, it'll shift by itself. I'm finna just go to the crib and chill for real.
But that, anyway.
No bout. Alright, Ronell, I'll see you later.
Bro, Cam. Love.
Alright, love. Y'all see the dash.
See you later, alligator.
Alright, Ronell.
Alright, Cam.
Alright.
Peace.
I love. Yeah, we just chilling here. It's dark right here, so I'm finna pick up the camera when I get back to the house. I'll see y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, just made it back to the house. Oh, trying to get out the car. Tight ass area. And my baby looking pretty. My baby looking pretty. I need a wide body this motherfucker though. Yeah. At least the front end. The back end already, it kind of has a wide look to it, I guess. But I don't know. I'm finna go home real quick though. Well, I mean, I'm home, but all my family live around here. I'm finna go to my house instead of my aunt's and get some za. Ushbao. Yeah. Oh, Lord. My bad, y'all. Hold up. Trying to put my clothes up. Alright. Look like I'm good. I gotta get some sun and sit on here and chill and watch, y'all. Can I buy some? Can I buy some? You don't got none?
Oh, just that one, but now I'm not gonna get none tonight. I ain't got no more of that other that I was talking about.
I can't buy none?
So before we getting it out and all that stuff.
I want it. Alright, I'll ask Marcus.
Yeah, see if he's got it, okay? We'll
Alright.
get it tomorrow.
Alright, love you.
We'll get it out tomorrow.
Okay. Man, what the hell? I was gonna pay for it too, folks. She ain't gonna get up. Now I gotta go ask my aunt. What the hell? What the hell?
Let me see. Big Juicy in the cat. Is it recording?
Yeah.
So I just got a lash kit today, and I did kit.
There's glue.
It's supposed to be glue.
No, like underneath.
Oh, you need a Q-tip? Girl, you're just gonna blow my shit.
Came off again.
Are you fucking? Girl, stop.
Anyways, I'll continue. She got a new lash kit and she did my lashes with them. But I'm about to get this off and you guys are gonna be my thing. I can't see.
Use your phone. So yes, my name is Reagan. I am a makeup artist based in Kokomo, Indiana, and I do wedding makeup, I do photo shoot makeup, prom makeup, whatever kind of makeup you need, I got you. I'm your girl. I'm just now into doing lashes, so once I get to doing that, I will be offering lash services. I am a certified makeup artist and a licensed esthetician, so follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok. I post more content on TikTok. But yeah, I'm your girl for all your makeup needs. Bitch. So any makeup needs for the girlies, I do mature skin. I can literally do whatever you need me to do. So yeah, just hit me up. I'm working on business cards right now, so that's something that I can, you know, put y'all on. Huh?
Because they're sticky.
You should what?
Clean my eyelids because they're sticky.
Here, Kim. I'm not gonna give you. You need to use alcohol for that.
Do you have any?
Huh?
Do you have any?
What? Sahara just.
You know what I'm talking about.
Sahara just brought me this.
Oh, you don't got none?
I literally have a blunt that's down there that I didn't
Let me
finish
buy
last
it.
night. No,
Come
that's
on.
the only thing I got.
I just asked Nanny to. She's already up and everything. I was like, can I get some? She was like, not tonight.
This is
I was like, why?
This is literally all I got.
I'm gonna give you 5.
That's literally all I got. Cam, you tripping for real, for real.
Nanny will give you some
I'll
tomorrow.
get you $70 for a 5-hour.
But she won't get. She said she wasn't trying to get up out the bed. She's just sitting there
Just
though.
tell her to tell you where it's at, and she can move it.
She don't. I don't know if she trusts me.
She do.
Huh?
That's literally all I got. And then Sahara brought me this thing. What? Where y'all? What?
No.
Who?
Oh, there's a crazy lady.
What?
I don't know. I guess she was just. What is she doing? Hey, are y'all good?
Yeah, my mom's drunk and took off.
She went down the alley.
Alley right there.
Wait, what? Thank you. What happened?
Hey, right here.
Left side.
On the left. On the left.
Go.
What is? Are y'all good?
His mom's drunk.
He said his mom's drunk and she just started stripping down and ran.
Oh my god.
Talo. Sorry.
People are fucking insane.
Hey, she went down the left alley. The left. Yes. These motherfuckers retarded. They're chasing their mom. She's drunk. I don't know what happened.
On the left. Thank you.
He probably did. They were flying though,
what?
but
When you came in
kinda.
here, she was like in the middle of the road getting naked.
She was like in the corner.
She was naked?
And she was stripping. Like. And then he went to go get his brother or something. And then that's what it came to.
Don't let mom out the house. While
Well, they gone now.
Well, that's why she didn't come with the person she got. I got someone out here.
You think anyone around here got a guitar? I'm trying to play guitar.
I was.
I just bought it.
Bro, that's so crazy. I was just about to say Papo. Literally.
I bought a new guitar Monday. And it was Thursday.
Let's go get it.
You trying to drive all the way back to my house? I'd rather ride in your car because mom.
Nah.
No, mom wants me
Let's
to
go
be
in
her
yours.
ride.
I know.
So she don't want me to leave in my car.
That's a lot of gas.
I agree. No. She wants me to be a ride because
Marcus ain't even here. I don't know. He's at his friend's.
What just happened?
Did you show him your lashes? It's kind of dark. He's right there.
Oh my gosh, I'm tired, guys. She's walking right there. She sounds like a haunted witch. She literally sounds like a wicked witch. I'm not even kidding. Okay, hold on, wait. Wait, she's
You ain't seen her? You would regret.
She's crazy. Take this one.
I feel like that's better.
Take it back.
No teeth.
I ain't never experienced that.
It's not focusing. Why is it not focusing, bro? Focus.
She's like, I'm not.
Bro, are you dead ass?
$10.
Why is it not focusing, bro? It's because there's not enough light.
I call my teeth.
I made $80 today off haircuts.
Alright.
It's the next day, y'all. I ended up falling asleep. I never picked the camera back up. That's the end of the video, y'all. I just wanted to get the outro, you know, get the outro part. But I guess it was a cool little vlog yesterday. Make sure y'all watch to the end. Well, while I'm saying this, It's like it was yesterday for me. But y'all all gonna be watching this at the same time. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and we out. Peace, y'all.